Let's learn English while playing a word game. Just change a letter or mix the letters and discover new words. Now, let us also make a sentence by using that word. D-O-G, dog. The dog is barking. G-O-D, God. God is the creator of the world. S-U-E, sue. She decided to sue the company. U-S-E, use. Please use this pen. D-E-W, dew. The grass is wet with morning dew. W-E-D, wed. They will wed next month. R-A-T, rat. A rat ran across the floor. A-R-T, art. Art makes the world beautiful. T-A-R, tar. The road is covered with tar. P-I-T, pit. There's a deep pit in the ground. T-I-P, tip. Here's a tip to improve your English. A-T-E-8, I ate an apple. E-A-T, eat. They eat lunch at noon. T-E-A-T, let's have some tea. P-O-T, pot. The soup is in the pot. T-O-P, top. He climbed to the top. O-P-T, opt. I opt for a vegetarian meal. A-R-E, R. They are running. E-A-R, ear. Cover your ear when it's cold. N-O-W, now. Start studying now. W-O-N, won. She won the game. O-W-N, own. I own a bicycle. G-I-F-T, gift. He gave me a birthday gift. F-I-T, fit. These shoes fit well. L-O-T, lot. I have a lot to do today. O-L-D, old. This is an old story. Told. Told. She told me the truth. Hint. Hint. He gave me a small hint. Thin. Thin. The book is thin. Hit. Don't hit anyone. Tin. The food is in a tin. Bird. Bird. A bird is flying. Rib. I hurt my rib. Bid. They bid on the painting. Rid. I want to get rid of this mess. Cap. He wore a blue cap. Pear. I ate rice with bean pea curry. Pace. Walk at your own pace. Cape. The superhero wore a red cape. Ace. He is an ace player.